Going to be installed will be the treasurer. Now, as a treasurer, to keep all the correspondence, all the files, and also to call for meeting and to take down minutes. So, secondly, there are also number 2 function is to inform the members of whatever function and events that are taking place in the district or in your brother clubs within and without Malacca. Now, as a VPPR, you are also responsible, alright, to put up the website, also to advise members what are the forthcoming events and also what are the coming or any changing policies of Toastmasters International. So are you prepared to shoulder this responsible post as VPPR for the next 12 months?
I do.
Yes, thank you very much. Give them a big help. You stay in good standing. This does not apply to the cable club, but what to this responsibility for the next 12 months. Yes, thank you. Could you please move to the back? Now we have the Chief Executive of the health of the club belongs to you. So when the club fails, it is your responsibility. When it succeeds, it is also your pride. Now, you are holding the table, the symbol of you have a three. Right after that, can you please move to the back? Okay, next. President, the government of the club.
Distinguished Toastmaster Adanya. Competent Toastmaster Dari.
Advanced Communicator Bronze Competent Leader Gold.
Distinguished
Competent Communicator.
Advanced Communicator Bronze, Advanced Leader Bronze, Chicken.
Advanced Communicator Silver. Advanced
Communicator Jenis Quinta.
Show your token of appreciation. Yeah. Thank you for all the support and all the hard works during your period. Alright, 3 vacancies for you to speak. Okay, you want a second? Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Indeed a pleasure to be here. Now, I am a retired teacher, so they take it for granted that teachers can speak anytime, how wrong they were. Because when you join Toastmasters clubs, there are 2 reasons. One, to learn, the other, to contribute. So now, what I believe in is, if you get what you get out of Toastmasters, you will never get out of Toastmasters. Thank you.
And now we have one last spot here. Alright, Audrey.
Hi, good evening everyone. Yes, it's good to be back at Malacca Toastmasters. And please don't count my ers and ums, because I was the Wizard of Oz.
Me
when
too.
I first joined Toastmasters. So now I have to speak very slowly and be very careful of what I say. Anyway, I'm taking this opportunity to wish all the fathers here and all the mentors who have been helping Malacca Toastmasters Club group. Tomorrow is Father's Day. So happy Father's Day, everyone, and all the mothers too. So, that's one arm for you. I had to forgo a family reunion, but this was planned last year, and I promised Jenny that I would be here. So I'm very glad to be here. I also would like to do some persuasion because Dr. Lawrence has many books out there, and I have one single book, and that is a tribute to my father. It's called Memories of Malacca. And it is a tribute to my father because he was a teacher by profession, but he also served in Singapore when Singapore fell. He was a volunteer soldier. So if you are interested in history or in Malacca or in Malacca as not a sleepy hollow, in the 1930s it was actually brimming with lots of activities. So anyway, please take a look at the book, and if you want to buy it, I'm here to sign it for you. Thank you very much, and happy Parents' Day.
Thank you, all past presidents. Once again, a big thank you to all. Shall we give all the past presidents a big round of applause? Thank you. And you may kindly be seated and enjoy the rest of the show tonight. Besides that, we would also like to make a slight correction on our earlier announcement. Toastmasters.
Thank you, Master of Ceremony, Toastmaster Ang Linpei and Timothy. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As the president of Malacca Toastmaster Club, I feel honored to see all of you here to give perfect support for my club. As the president of Malacca Toastmaster Club, I'd like to thank our district director, Dr. William Lau, distinguished Toastmaster Dr. William Lau, and his bodyguard, District 102 Public Relation Manager, distinguished Toastmaster Robert Ram. Our Division A Director, Arif Ibrahim, incoming Division Director, Professor Dr. Zoom, all the presidents of Kotra, MMC, Estimua, Sunpower, and our baby club, Gable Club, SFI. Thank you very much to make this event meaningful.